After Friday's escapades, I decided to make a light dinner tonight. I have homegrown tatsoi and bok choy here and some herbs. I'm steaming cod, fresh basil, love Thai basil. And I've got scallions and cilantro as well. The tatsoi takes longer than the bok choy, so I have it in there first. And now I'm making room to add the bok choy to the pot. And the fish is just about done at this point. I'm just setting it on top and giving it a little longer in the steamer. Meanwhile, I've mixed up my broth. And I don't know if you've ever tried these noodles. They are so delicious. And plating this up, this is a dinner that's taking me 10 minutes to fix. And it's so delicious. Some Japanese barbecue sauce to bring on the flavor, but I'm not done yet. All those fresh herbs and some chili pepper flakes. This is so good.